सर्वे जानन्ति। संधि विषये अच् संधि हल् संधि इति द्विधा विभक्तं वर्तते। अच् संधि नाम अच्षु द्वि अच् मध्ये जातं संधि अच् संधि। हल् संधि इत्यत्र द्वयोः हल् मध्ये जातं संधि हल् संधि। एवं चतुर्षु विभागेषु वर्तते। अस्माभिः गत संवत्सरे सवर्ण गुण वृद्धि यणादेश संधि पठितानि वर्तन्ते। अस्मिन् वर्षे श्रुत्व श्रुत्व विसर्ग अयादि संधयः पठितव्यानि वर्तन्ते। पठितं पठितव्यानि। समासेषु तत्पुरुष कर्मधारय द्वंद्व द्विगु इत्यादि समासाः वर्तन्ते। अलंकारेषु एते सर्वे शब्दालंकाराः इति कथ्यन्ते। हलंत शब्देषु हल अंतवा वाच शब्दः जलमुच शब्दः भिषज शब्दः एतानि शब्दानि एते शब्दाः पठितानि वा न वा? गतवासरे गत रविवासरे अस्माभिः वाच शब्दः चकारान्तः स्त्रीलिङ्गः वाच शब्दः चकारान्तः जलमुक् चकारान्तः पुंलिङ्गः जलमुक् शब्दः पठितं खलु?
आम्
आम् आम् आम्। अत्र अद्य किं पठ्यते अस्माभिः? धातुषु परस्मैपदी आत्मनेपदी इति किमर्थम् इत्यागतम्?
त्रयः वचनानि।
The tense is like a past, present, future, or no?
किमिति वर्तते?
Purusha, Stri, Napumsaka.
पुरुष
No,
प्रथम
okay.
पुरुष मध्यम पुरुष उत्तम पुरुष।
Okay, okay. First person, second person.
अद्य एतस्मिन् विषये किञ्चित् अभ्यासं कुर्मः। किञ्चित् अभ्यासं कुर्मः। अत्रैव पठ्यते खलु? धातुः नाम किं धातुः?
पठति।
मौलिक अंशः।
पठ शब्द।
मौलिकता। धातुः नाम मूलम्। किं मूलम्? कस्य मूलम्?
पठ।
इदं मूलम्।
पठ।
एतस्य मूलस्य धातोः परस्मैपदी विषये प्रथमा विभक्ति प्रथम पुरुष एकवचनं किं भवति?
पठति।
अध प्रत्ययाः आनीतव्याः। यूयं ज्ञायन्ते खलु एतत् सूत्रम्? स्वौज समौच स्टाभ्यां भिस् ज्ञेभ्यां भिस् घसिभ्यां भिस् घसोसां नियोसुप्। एते सप्त विभक्ति त्रिवचन प्रत्ययाः सफिक्सेस् प्रत्ययाः। एवमेव धातु प्रत्ययाः अपि वर्तन्ते। धातु प्रत्ययाः यदि यूयम् एतं जानन्ति एतं सूत्रं जानन्ति तदा स्फुटं भवति सुस्पष्टं भवति। किं तत् धातुः? उच्यतां तिप्तश्चि।
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 मिप्वस्मस्।
मिप्वस्मस्।
ताताञ्झ।
ताताञ्झ।
तातांझ
तातांच
धासातां ध्वम
तासातां ध्वम
ईडवहि महिं
ईडुवहि महिम
once
तृप्तस्
again पुनरेक एकवारं पठन्तु सर्वे टिप्तश्छि
तिप्तस्ति
मिब्वस्मस्
मिप्वस्मस्
टिप्तश्झि
तिप्तस्ति
तिप्तस्थ
तिप्तस्थ
टिप्तश्झि टिप्तश्झि
तिप्तस्ति
तिप्तस्ति
तस्व
मिब्वस् टिप्तश्झि टिप्तश्झि सिप्तस्थ
तिप्तस्थ
टिप्तश्झि सिप्तस्थ सिप्तस्थ टिप्तश्झि
तिप्तस्जि
सिप्तस्थ
तिप्तस्थ
मिप्वस्मस्
miप्वस्मस्. Did we miss a character in the middle or it is
I missed it actually. When I write, you will understand this.
okay.
Tatanjha
आतांच
धासातां ध्वम
धातां
idvahi mahing.
idvahi mahim
What is this? Divide it. Tip tas
tas
ji. Sip
sip tas
tas ha mip
mip tas
mip was
mipvas
mas. Okay. In the same way, continuously, in other format, we have ta, atam,
tam
it should not be there. This should be the right. Atam, ja, dha,
satam satam
tatancha, dhasatam, dham, dhas,
das
atam,
das atam dva
atham,
dva
dvam,
tvam
hmm.
ida
Id,
id idavas
vahi,
idavahim asmi
mahi,
mahi idavahi
mahing, vahing actually. Mahing, mahing. Okay.
So Acharya
This is the formula.
And the second line, that sip is nowhere in the sentence, I guess.
Si and pa.
Oh, okay. Sip tas chi.
What happened here? This tip turned into ti. That we are telling bhavati.
Okay.
Okay. Next, tas become taha, bhavataha.
Anti ti ta tha.
G turned into anti. Okay. So what we practice is ti taha anti. But real format is tip tas ji. Okay. Again. Sip turned into, you tell me what did happen?
Si.
Very good.
पटसि
Next.
पठथ पठथः
This is actually thus.
Ta tha.
Next, what it become?
थः
Very good. Thaha. Very good. Next one.
थ
Very good. Next one.
मी
Ami. Bhavami. Pathami. Chalami. Kridami. Next,
Vaha.
आवह,
Avaha.
चलावह, पठावह. Next.
Amaha.
Very good. Amaha. Very good. So now we practiced these three. Patati, patatah, pathanti, because we can associate it easily. Kshamyatam. Dhatuna saha samyojayitum sulabhataya ज्ञानार्थम एते अभ्यस्ताः अस्माभिः अभ्यस्ताः परन्तु मूलं तु एतदेव सर्वासामपि लकारेषु सर्वेषु अपि लकारेषु एतदेव मूलम् यदि यदि एतत् मूलं तर्हि किमेते लट् लकारे एते स्वरूपाः उच्यतां लिट् लकारे के स्वरूपाः लृट् लृट् लकारे लृट् नाम
भविष्यत् काल
भविष्यत् काले किं भवति भविष्यत् काले
भविष्यति
तिप् इत्यस्य वर्तमान काले ति इति प्रत्ययः जातः भविष्यत् काले किं जातः
पठिष्यति
इष्यति न उच्यताम् अथ उच्यतां किम् अस्य स्वरूपं भविष्यति पठिष्यति चलिष्यति इत्यस्य परन्तु सामान्य रूपम् एतदेव the core concept is same as you go on changing the lakara tense the structure of the prachaya the suffix will change okay so it continues like this ishyati
इष्यतः इच्छन्ति
उत्तमम्
इष्यतः
इष्यतः इष्यन्ति एवमेवं very good इष्यसि इष्यतः इष्यथा इष्यामि इष्यावः इष्यामः so it goes on so this is core this is lakara vartamana bhavishyati and again if you continue it goes on past tense imperative mood and potential mood etc come to this section again do you practice labhate labhete labhante I think you practiced it
Yeah, we did.
what is labhate labhete labhante labhase labhedhe labhadve labhe labhavahe labhamahe this is atmanepadi prachaya sarga so in this complete one formula he gave this parasmaipadi and atmanepadi section 2 in one formula Panini gives like this tiptasya sipthasthamipasmasa tatanjadhasatan bhamidvahimahing is a formula. It tells about the suffixes set of dhatus. It changes later according to the tense, but the core is this. Moolam evam eva. Ta atanja. Kim bhavati ta ityasya?
पठते
Ete.
यते पठेते
No. Now it is te.
पठेते
Ete. Atam becomes ete.
पठन्ते
Te.
पठे पठावहे
ते एते अन्ते next थे
लभेते लभन्ते लभे पठे लभे लभे oh no
पठसे
से
पठेते
पठेते
थे
एथे पठद्वे
द्वे
पठे पठावहे
वेरी गुड
पठावहे
आवहे
आवहे आमहे
आमहे that's it so these are the suffixes for it tell me about the future tense suffixes of atmanepadi
इष्यते
इष्यते
इष्येते
एके
इष्यन्ते
इष्येते
इष्यन्ते
वेरी गुड इष्यन्ते नेक्स्ट सेम इष्यसे इष्येते इष्यध्वे इष्ये इष्यावहे इष्यामहे सो इष्य comes in भविष्यति only इष्य इति भविष्यति काल प्रत्ययेषु एव आगच्छति एतं सम्यक् किंचित निमिषमेकं दृष्टिं प्रसार्य किंचित अध्ययनं कुर्वन्तु अहम् अभ्यासविषये अभ्यासपत्रं प्रदर्शयामि
I don't hear anything.
Swami, I'm not I'm just in a work, small work. I'm opening a Dhatu Pustaka. Okay. किमिदं अर्धम् अवगतं वा अर्धम् अवगतं वा
आम्
अवगतम्
अवगतम्
एतत् परस्मैपदी अयम् आत्मनेपदी
Atmanepati means passive voice.
यस् उत्तमम्
Passive voice.
लभते खादते खाद्यते रामेण फलं खाद्यते खाद्यते खाद्येते खाद्यन्ते खाद्यसे त्वं फलं खाद्यसे त्वया फलं खाद्यते खाद्यसे so fruit is being eaten by you okay एवं खादे खादावहे खादामहे so it comes in passive voice maximum everything will be in parasmapadi only some poetics some poems etc in some different high level of Sanskrit we will use this Atmanepadi.
In Parasmaipate,
Parasmapadyam
Pade, this the last two lines. Ishyate, Ishyete, Ishyante.
This is Atmanepadi.
This Atmanepadi, sorry. Ishyase, Ishyas, Ishyathe, Ishyadve. Ishyathe, Ishyadve. Ishyadve.
इष्ये
Ishyavahe.
इष्यामहे
For example, Jna. Jna dhatu. It becomes jnayate. Maya jnayate. I know. Tell me what is the dhatu here? Jnayate.
Jayate.
Jnayante. Jnayante. Jnayase. Jnayedhe. Jnayadve. Jnaye. Jnayavahe. Jnayamahe. Now, if it is gi is singing. Now it is giyate.
Giyate. Giyante.
Giyase.
Giyase means
Giyate.
you are singing.
Sung by.
By you, somebody else.
Sung by you. Yeah. Giyadhe. Giyadve. Giye. Giyavahe. Giyamahe. Okay. Next, if it is not giya, if it is jaya, jaya is taking birth or it is
Jayate.
producing. Yeah. Jayate.
Jate.
Jayete.
Jayate.
Jayante. Jayase. Jayate. Jayate. Jayadve. Jaye. Jayavahe. Jayamahe.
Uttamam. Instead of jaya, it is piya.
Piyate.
Pibate. Piyate or pibate?
Piyante. Piyase. Piyethe. Piyadve. Piye. Piyavahe.
Piya means what, Acharya?
You tell me what is pi?
Drink? But I thought pibate, I thought.
That is in Parasmaipadi.
Okay.
Piya done. If it is likhyate. Sorry. Likhyate. What is likhyate?
Writing.
Being written.
And by.
Likhyate.
Likhyate. Likhyante.
Very good.
Likhyate.
Likhyase.
Likhyate.
Tvaya likhyate. Taya likhyate. Tvaya likhyase. Patham likhyate. Bhavata. Patham bhavata likhyate. Lesson is written by you. Likhyate, likhyante,
Likhyamahe.
Now tell me another one. What is pathyate?
Patyate.
Being taught.
Teaching. Vachyate.
Pathyate.
Patyate.
Teach.
Pathyante. Pathyase. Patyethe. Patyadve. Patye. Patyavahe. Patyamahe.
These are three.
What is jiyate?
Jiyate.
Being living by us.
Living, yeah.
Jiyate. Jiyate.
Jiyante.
Jiyase. Jiyethe. Jiyadve.
Jiye. Jiyavahe. Jiyamahe. But not all words have Parasmaipadi and Asmanipadi.
May not.
Yeah.
Some
So how will
we
we
have many
know?
synonyms.
Yeah. So how will we know which word has only
Then you need to
Parasmaipadi?
practice the entire set list of dhatus given by Panini.
Oh, okay.
Or else practice. While practicing, you will get the dhatus. More than some 2000 dhatus are there. List of 2000 dhatus. In Bhuadi Gana, etc. Ganas, 10 Ganas are there.
Yeah.
But mostly we use 200 to 300 dhatus regularly.
Yeah.
How many words are there in English? How many basic roots? How to identify which root should be with ed and which root should be n and all.
Yeah.
Some are in practice, some are having a list, etc. So this is a dhatu concept. So this is what I wanted to teach you. So the core, this is actually the middle one is completely present tense. The second change of ti becomes the future tense. The third change will becomes the past tense, etc. Okay. I'm searching for a dhatu book pustaka, but I'm not getting it. I don't know why. If I get that, we'll practice more and more dhatus, you know.
संस्कृतेन सम्भाषणं कुर्वतु.
उत्तमं. यदि भवान् सौख्यं वर्तते मम भाषया, अतीव सरलतया, अतीव मृदुतया, अतीव सुखतया संभाषणं कर्तुम् इच्छामि. महदानन्दम्. अद्य लक्ष्मारेड्डी महाभाग मां संस्कृतेन संभाषणं कर्तुं पृच्छति इति. जानन्ति वा प्रथमदिने यदाहं संस्कृतेन संभाषणं कृतम्, अहं संभाषणं कृतं, तर्हि यूयं सर्वे किमेतत् इति आश्चर्य मुखं प्रकटीकृतवन्तः. अद्य यूयं सर्वे जानन्ति संस्कृतं. सत्यं वा न वा?
सत्यं सत्यं.
किञ्चित् जानामः.
किञ्चित् न. मम भाषा 100% अर्धम् अवगति वा 10% अर्धम् अवगति वा?
More than 50%.
50% अवगतम्.
अर्धाधिकम्.
अर्धाधिकम्.
I got an old book, Swami. Dhatu Pradeepa. It talks only about dhatus, I think. Let us see what it is there. I'll just give you the book. You can practice. Okay, it is old, but it's not useful for us. Okay, there is another book called Dhatu Ratnakara. Okay.
First one you said Dhatu Pratyaya, book name.
I'll just give you. I want a concept for practicing better. That's what I'm planning. Not useful.
You mentioned a book called Dhatu Rupa Kaumudi.
We can do that also, but I want a good book to practice. If it's not useful for practice, it's waste. No. I got one book. I'm downloading it, but it has 1500 pages. Yeah. Okay, I got one book. I'm downloading it. We'll practice in that. Did you read something here, Swami? Did you see anything? Pages scrolling up?
Yeah. Dhatu Manjari.
Can you see what is this?
Parasmay Pada Tish.
This is what we practice, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Tish.
This is Parasmay Pada. Later, this is the core. You can change later. This is
Atmanepada.
Manepada.
Atmanepada. Uttamam. This is what we practice, yes?
Am.
Satyam idameva asmabhihi abhyastam. So there are different 10 types of dhatu ganas. Okay, 10 ganas in dhatu. 10 groups of conjugations. In the conjugational tenses and moods, the roots of the different conjugations take different conjugational signs before the terminations are added. The following tabular statement will make us scheme clear. Okay. So the first gana is called as Vadi Gana. Repeat after me.
Vadigana.
In this Bhu Ityadi Dhatu will there. Okay. Bhu Ityadi Dhatavah Santi. Vadi. Ad Ityadi Dhatavah Santi. Okay. Juhoti Ityadi Dhatavah Santi. Juhoti Dhatu, starting with the Dhatu. The list of Dhatu starts with Juhoti, Divadi, Swadi, Tudadi, Rudadi, Tanadi, Krayadi, Churadi. So these are 10 types of dhatus in which total these many dhatus are there.
Acharya
Ah.
Say Tanadi, he means that, say for example, what kind of a gana, like give me
Tanu, Tanoti,
okay.
Tanutaha.
Okay.
Evam, Tanu ityadi dhatu.
Okay. The dhatu ends with Tanu in that sense?
It starts with Tanu.
Starts with Tanu. Okay.
Starts with Adi, na? Adi means what?
Beginning.
Bhu Adi. There is a list starts with Bhu. So there are 10 types of dhatus here.
Adi Antaha. Okay.
Adi Anta. Very good. Parasmaipadi. First person. Present tense.
Strilinga, right? This one.
No. There is no linga in dhatu, na?
Dhatu, there is no.
Okay.
Sita anti, Sita hata, ami amaha, amaha. He just gave in reverse. Okay. Part 1 section. We'll go to directly dhatu. Okay. He gave one dhatu. Where is the first one? Yeah, chapter 1. The first dhatu is Raksha. Parasmaipadi is active voice. You know the Raksha Shabda, right? He just gave in reverse. Read it.
Yeah. Rakshati, Rakshataha, Rakshanti, Rakshasi, Rakshataha, Rakshata, Rakshami, Rakshavaha, Rakshamaha.
This is Raksha Dhatu Parasmaipadi. This is called as
Raksham.
past tense. Na? You know in past tense, Abhavat, Abhavatam, Abhavan. Do you remember that?
Yes.
This is Raksha Dhatu past tense. What it is?
Rakshat, Rakshatam, Rakshan. Rakshaha, Rakshatam, Rakshata.
Raksham.
Rakshava, Rakshama.
That's it.
No,
I think
that
you
is-
practice imperative also.
Yeah. Rakshatu.
What is this?
Raksh.
There's a lot, isn't it?
Rakshatu. Lord, yeah. Rakshatu.
Rakshatam.
Rakshantu.
Rakshantu.
Raksha. Rakshatam.
Rakshatam. Rakshata.
Shani.
Rakshani.
Rava.
Rakshama. Rakshama.
Uttamam. So in this way, he gave all tenses together. See here. Charati, charataha, charanti. Charasi, charatha, charatha. Charami, charavaha,
Charamaha.
Charamaha. If you can add anything to the root, chara, it becomes parichara.
Yeah.
Then it becomes paricharati, paricharataha, paricharanti, paricharasi, paricharatha, paricharatha, paricharami, paricharavaha.
Paricharamaha.
So in that way, he gave a very old book. So he gave everything in a.
Are these books available anywhere? I mean, any newer
This is
version
not
of
a
this?
perfect book for practice, Swami. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
For beginners, it is not a perfect book to practice.
Yeah.
So, there are many books like this. So we can practice many ways. So, okay, let us go to some other concept today. Shall we go to some Raghuvamsha again, or shall we continue this?
Yes, 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 yes.
Raghuvamsha, good Raghuvamsha.
Sure.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah, we enjoy that more.
Yes, yes, yes. Because last time mostly we just concentrated on grammar, so
Mm. Yeah, attendance is less now.
Yeah. I mean,
Read 7 sarga, I think. Tyagaya Samrutarthana.
Tyagaya Sambhrutarthanam Uttamam Satyaya Mita Bhashinam Yashase Vijigishunam
Prajaya.
Prajayai Gruhamedhinam. Do you remember the shloka? What is the first one in Raghuvamsha?
Vagardaviva samprukto vagarda pratipattaye jagatah pitarau vande Parvati Parameshwarau.
Very good, very good.
Yeah, only one I remember.
That's okay, Swami. At least you know that.
But I've seen a lot of these discourses.
Uh-huh.
They start with this sloka. I don't know why.
Vagartha Samprukto.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I told you now, it has a beautiful meaning. It has beautiful wordings in a with less letters, a huge meaning, and it prays to Shiva and Vishnu both together, and everyone accepts it. Shaivites accept it because there is a Shiva there. Vaishnavites accept it because there is a Vishnu also included as father. So Kalidasa is such a great businessman who marketizes his own product in a huge way. Like he went to everyone's heart.
Yeah,
Yatha vidhi hutagni nam. Did you see the page, Swami?
Yes.
yes, yeah.
Yatha vidhi hutagni nam. Yatha kamarchitardhinam. Yatha paradha dandanam. Yatha kala prabodhinam. Tyagaya sambhrutardhanam. I think we practice this also.
Yeah, we did.
Tyagaya. What is Tyagaya?
Tyagaya, to the Tyaga.
For sacrificing only. They have Sambhruta. Sambhruta is more Ardha money.
Mm.
They have more money only to
Give.
sacrifice. Yeah. Satyaya Mita Bhashinam. They used to talk very less because to just
Speak the
execute
truth.
only truth. Satyaya Mita Bhashinam. Yashase. For fame. Vijigishunam. They used to win. I told you this example also. When Raghu Maharaja went to conquer, it seems. Went to conquer the world. Everyone accepted it. Everyone accepted his victory. Swami, you just come here, just take the victory. We don't want to fight with you. Because however, you are going to give the same Rajya to me only. I am the ruler. Just, I need to accept that you are an emperor. You are not taking anything from us. So what happens in fighting? Everything is lost. So we don't want to fight you. Just take the emperorship. So people used to give emperorship to accept Raghu Maharaj as emperor, it seems. Yashase Vijigishunam Prajayai Grihamedhinam. Grihamedhi means marriage.
Okay.
Grihamedhi means marriage.
Mm.
They used to marry only for one good child.
Mm. Only for the,
Prajayai Gruhamedhinam.
yeah, the Satyaya Mitabashi Nam is an interesting one. I guess you.
Rama in Ramayana, Valmiki explains Rama as a Smita Bhashi, Purva Bhashi, and Mita Bhashi.
Hmm,
What is Mita Bhashi? We know
yeah,
he talks less. He is a Smita Bhashi.
pleasantly with a smile or
He talks
with a smile.
And Purva Bhashi.
Purvabashi. Complete.
Purva means Purna Bhashi is complete. Purva Bhashi
Purva is like a
before.
before.
Past.
Before.
Okay, what does it mean though? I understand
Rama is the
Purva,
one
but
who used to talk before others talk.
Hmm,
Before telling some teacher is coming or someone is coming to talk to Rama, Rama will remember him with his name and just tells him with the name, just calls him with the name and asks him, how are you? Just please come here. I'm very happy to see you.
Okay, who initiates the talk rather than wait for the.
When we are like, even he's a great emperor, even though he's a great emperor, if someone goes to him to talk, generally we'll say good morning, right? He starts the talk. He initiates the talk.
Very interesting, yeah.
Rama is a Purva Bhashi, Mita Bhashi, and Smita Bhashi. Very attractive nature of these three qualities are called as attractive nature. Smita Bhashi, Purva Bhashi, and Mita Bhashi. Shaishave Abhyasta Vidyanam. Shaishavam means?
Shaishave, the rest of the life, rest of the Shaishave. Oh, as a boy.
Shaishava means Shishu.
Shishu. Okay.
Shaishava means Shishu. Abhyasta.
For learning.
Learned or practiced. Vidyanam. Vidya. Nam is Shashti Vibhakti. You forget about this Shashti Vibhakti. Okay, I'm speaking about. Belongs to Nam. Shaishave Abhyasta Vidya. People who learn all sorts of education in their childhood itself. They did not enjoy their childhood actually. They just kept all their childhood in practicing education. So I'm going to explain about the king's dynasty who practiced all the education in their childhood itself. They are not. They did not go to school or colleges in young age. They practiced everything in childhood. Shaishave Abhyasta Vidyanam Yavvane. What is Yavvanam? I'm going to tell about those kings, what they did in young age. Vishayai Shinam.
Learn
their desires in their young age. Whatever they want, they possessed in their young age. Vardhake. What is Vardhakya?
Old age.
What they did? Muni Vritti Nam.
Become a sage.
They become themselves as a saints, monks. They practice their life as a real Vardhakya. What they should do? Ante. Ante means?
At the end.
Tanu. Tanu means?
Body.
Tyaja.
Giving up.
They gave up their body in the end. How?
Yoga.
Yogena. In the childhood, they practiced all education. In young age, they conquered whatever they want. They fulfilled their desires. In old age, they maintained, what we can say, sannyasa ashrama, munivrutti. In the end, they left their bodies through yoga. They did not die a normal death. Through yoga, they sacrificed their bodies. I'm going to speak about those people who studied all sorts of education, who practiced all education in their childhood, who just fulfilled all their desires in their young age, who maintained the penance of sages in the Vardhakya old age, and in the end of their life, they sacrificed or they left their bodies through yoga. I'm going to tell about that dynasty. Everyone maintained that dynasty. I'm going to explain that. Once again, Swami. Shaishave Abhyasta Vidyanam.
Shaishave Abhyasta Vidyanam.
Yavvane Vishayaishinam.
Vishayaishinam.
Vishayaishinam. Yeah. Vardhake munivrittinam.
Vardhake
Eh,
munivrittinam.
Yogenante tanutyajam.
Yogena.
Tanutyajam.
Jam.
Nowadays,
Acharya
people are
ji.
so confused, lack of clarity. Means what we should do in childhood. People are enjoying with the tabs and phones and all. They are enjoying, not practicing properly. In the young age, they are behind some things, not a real one. In old age, people are behind their grandsons, granddaughters, and properties, financial things, but not concentrating on what they really want. That's why Ante, in our end, we are just lying our bodies are lying on beds in hospitals with injections and syringes. So if we have practiced this before in young age, in childhood, if our childhood is beautiful and perfect, obviously young age will be in fulfilling desires. After fulfilling desires, when you get vexed with all these things, obviously you will maintain a real thing. What should be maintained in old age. With all these experiences, we can leave our body in a proper way to attain moksha. But our teachers are not proper, people were not taught anything in a proper way, so we are confused. Because we are confused because of ignorance, that's it. Ignorance is not a sin sometimes, but we are like that, that's it. We grown up, the society like this. Maybe education system, the parental system, there may be a problem somewhere due to not getting a proper education. So Kalidasa is going to, is telling like he's going to explain about the kings who practiced education in their childhood, who fulfilled desires in their young age, who did penance, etc. You like Munivritti, profession of a sages in Vardhakya, old age. With all these experiences, they left their bodies through yoga and attained moksha. Next one. Now, till now what he told? Nam, Nam, Nam. Let us go from here. Soham, I am the one. I am speaking about whom? Ajanma Shuddhanam, Apalodaya Karmanam, Asamudrakshidishanam, Anakaradavartmanam, Yatha Vidhuta Agninam, Yatha Kamarchitarthinam, Yatha Paratha Dandanam, Yatha Kala Prabodhinam. He did not complete the sentence here. Sambhrutardhanam, Mitabhashinam, Vijigishunam, Grihamedhinam, Vidyanam, Vishayaishinam, Munivrittinam, Tanutyajam. He told all these things. Now he is telling Raghunam, such Raghunam, such qualified qualities, people who are in these qualities, those Raghunam, Anvayam Vakshye. Anvayam means?
Applied, is it applied?
Applied or the flow.
Yeah.
Anvayam is flow after this, telling about the chat list of dynasty. Vakshye, I am going to tell. Here, the sentence ends. So I'm going to talk about those qualified Raghu Maharajas list. Tanuvag Vibhopisan. Actually, to tell about Raghu Maharajas, words and my personality is not enough. Tanu Vibhavaha. Body is restricted. Vak Vibhavaha. Words are also restricted. Son. Even though my words and my personality is restricted to tell about Vakshye, to tell about those great Raghu Maharajas dynasty, Tad Gunaihi, listening to the characters and qualities of those people, Karnamagatya, after listening to them, Chapalaya Prachoditaha. I couldn't resist myself after listening to those qualities. I couldn't resist myself and just talking. Even though I am not qualified, even though my words are not enough to tell about, explain and explore about the dynasty, my words are not enough, but I'm so excited listening to the qualities of those kings. Chapalaya, as I can't control myself, I can't resist myself, I'm just talking. Chapalaya prachoditaha. If you come to know something wonderful, what do? You want to explain it to somebody. Even if you are not capable of explaining that concept, still you try to talk. That's what he's telling. What is my position? Even though I can't talk, even though my words are restricted, even though my personality and education is restricted, still listening to the great qualities and characters of Raghu Maharaja's dynasty, as I can't resist myself listening to it, I'm just talking. Repeat after me. Raghunam
Raguna
Vayam Vakshye
Vayam
Tanu Vak
Tanuvak
Vibhavopi San
Vibhavo
Api Sattan
Tadgunaihi
Tadgunaihi
Karnamagatya
Karnamagatya
Kapalaya Prachoditaha.
Chapalaya Prachoditaha.
Prachoditaha.
One more shloka I'll just tell and I'll just conclude here, Raghuvamsha. We'll go to another book. Samprati, so Prabandha Parikshartham Tatah Pradhyate. This is one shloka what made me to write an article on Kalidasa. Kalidasa and his great marketing skills. I wrote a paper on it. I think it's on 2014. I wrote a paper, presented a paper in a UGC seminar. Kalidasa and his marketing skills. So nowadays we have Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, many things for marketing, maybe for free, sometimes for payment advertisements, many are there. In that time, when every scholar is egoistic with their own education, they generally they don't accept others as, yes, you are a great scholar. Or if he is a scholar, everyone will try to pull their leg. In that situation, Kalidasa is the one who made everyone to accept him as a great scholar, great poet. Kalidasa means Mahakavi Kalidasa. Is that possible without marketing? Okay. How he marketized his book, how he publicized his book. This is a beautiful thing. Let me explain what he did, then we'll go to the shloka. You know what he did? Kalidasa had a great board outside his door. What he wrote? Kalidasa Virachitam Raghuvamsham. Kalidasa Virachitam Raghuvamsha Mahakavyam. Mahakavi Kalidasa Virachitam Raghuvamsha Mahakavyam. He just told himself like Kalidasa Mahakavi. Okay. Again, the Kavyam is Mahakavyam. This is a great poet and great book. Fine. Under the book, he wrote this shloka. Okay. What is the shloka? Repeat after me. Tam santaha
Tam Santaha
rotum arhanti tadasad yakti hetavaha hemnaha
Hemnaha
tam lakshyate agnau tehi yamika piva. You know what he wrote under the board, under the book name? He wrote that my book can be understood only by great poets and scholars. My book can be understood only by great poets and scholars, as if gold will be tested only in fire. The purity of gold will be tested only in fire. My book will be tested only by poets and scholars. He wrote a great board, big board out of his house. People who pass through his house, what they should do? When they come inside, when they read, after going, if he say the book is not good, what it means? He is not a great poet or a scholar. Who don't come is also not a scholar. Who comes and tells that the book is not good is not also a scholar. Is also not a scholar. So in that way, whoever passes through this road, everyone will come inside, read, and accept for accepting or for proving them as a scholar. They will definitely accept this book is good, excellent, marvelous. This is what Kalidasa is. You know, this is the very great point Kalidasa explained. This is the beauty of Kalidasa, that he gives such a great example for this. No other one can give this. They should compulsion. There is a compulsion that they should explain this. So that's why Kalidasa is a
Acharya-ji.
great strategist.
So Acharya-ji, so Kalidasa believed that he is a great poet.
Obviously, he's a great poet. That's why
So-
he wrote. If he don't believe himself, how can he write this great book?
No. There's one thing, it is, of course, yeah. So I guess even though he says that he is so modest and all those things,
If he don't say all these things, will poets come inside to read this book?
hmm,
After reading 9 shlokas only, this 10th shloka will come.
very
Can you talk
interesting.
to anybody that I'm great? If you accept everybody, if you go on stage, if you just bombard yourself like you are great and all, will people listen to you?
Hmm, True.
So that's
true.
why what we do. We talk and appreciate others first. I welcome, thanks for welcoming me. I'm just thanks you to the X. I'm appreciate this. Why the all volunteers are doing good. You first appreciate everybody, then you tell about yourself. You project about your biography, then only, right? You will be modest, but your resume tells what you are. That's why there will be separate people to just forecast us, to tell about us what I am. My resume will be read by some other, not by me. The resume tells about your greatness, right? The entire biodata tells about your greatness, your achievements, your professions, etc.
True.
But it will be read by somebody, not by you. We never read our resume. We are always modest, but someone will appreciate us. Will make compulsion that someone should read my biodata. In all seminars, etc., wherever I go, I'll be introduced by some other person.
True.
I'll make compulsion that some other person should read the resume. Then I'll go on stage with a modest face. Indirectly, acting that I'm great. I give my resume for what? If I don't like that, I don't give my resume, right? I'll just talk to people directly that, okay, this is the topic, this is the content, and this is why my paper. No. A chairman or what we can say, the counselor or someone who sits there, chairman of the session, first he'll be appreciated. Then someone will come and tell about the person's character, person's biodata and all. Then we'll be introduced. So Kalidasa taught all these things. He told he wrote a very great, good board that whoever reads my book, if they are scholars, if they are fine poets, they can understand this. Whoever comes into the room, they can't tell that I could not understand this. Swami, please, can you explain? If they say so, it's like they themselves proving themselves like ignorance. Repeat again. Tam santaha
Tam
shrotu marhanti.
Hanti.
Tam means to my book.
To my book.
Santaha means
Understand.
scholars.
Scholars, okay.
Santaha shrotu marhanti, able to listen. My book is having a qualification that only few people can listen to it. Listen means understand. Who they are? Sadasat vyakti hetavaha. Hetu is reason. Sadasat vyakti hetavaha. Sad means good. Asat, bad. Sat, asat, good and bad. Vyakti, division. Hetavaha. People who has a knowledge of differentiating good and bad, those scholars are capable of listening to my book. People who got common sense, Sadasat Vyakti means what? Common sense. So my book can be understood only by the people who can classify good and bad. Those scholars are arhaha, capable of reading my book. Tam santaha shrotu marhanti sadasad vyakti hetavaha. What he is giving an example? Agnau. He is indeed Agnau is fire, in fire. Okay. Hemnaha vishuddhihi samlakshyate. Hemnaha, hemnoho, hemnam, shashti. Of gold. Agnau.
By fire.
Agni, Agnau, Gurau.
Yes.
Harau, Haryo, Harishu. In the fire.
In the fire.
Vishuddhihi. Purity.
Mm.
Shyamika. Shyama means darkness.
Mm.
Darkness means artificiality. Whether it is pure or artificial, whether it is pure or artificial, the purity or artificiality. Hope you are able to see my cursor, Swami.
Yes, yes.
Or artificiality can be samlakshyate, that is tested or examined. Gold's purity or artificiality, gold purity or artificiality can be examined in
Fire.
fire. Who are fire here?
Santaha.
Scholars who got common sense. Scholars who got common sense can test my book.
Mm.
Nice, na Swami?
Yeah, Yashasya Vijigishanam. The same strategy he did it, right?
Tam santaha shrotumarhanti
Tam santaha shrotumarhanti
tad asad vyakti hetavaha
tad asad vyakti
hemnaha samlakshyate hyagnau
samlakshyate
vishuddhi shyamika piva.
Vishuddhihi
Piva. Acharya
Again.
ji, yeah, the word Hagnau is what? Why he and Agni? Why not? It is
He
just
is
Hagnau.
indeed Agni. There is only one thing where you can test a gold. That is Agni, nothing.
Oh, okay, okay, yeah. I
Indeed
was
Agni
confused.
only.
Okay.
So I gave almost 40 to 50 examples from different poems of Kalidasa to tell why he is great and how he marketized his book. Different thing.
So I guess marketing is not a bad word here in this sense. It's a
Without marketing, how can you sell a good medicine to people? Like, how can you introduce good medicine to people without market?
sometimes the marketing has a bad connotation. but
Yeah,
I
that's
guess
what. Sending good product to society. That is the base intention of marketing, right? People who are not, advertising wrong thing means it is with a bad intention. The concept of advertisement is only to promote good and useful. If
True.
people are misusing it, it is their worse. It's negativity.
Maybe branding, it's called more branding of self-branding.
Instead of marketing, we can call it as branding. Yeah. If no one knows about a good medicine, generic medicine, I came to know one day a public administration scholar explained me what is a generic medicine and what is other medicine and all. Like government authorized and cheap, which is useful medicine to public, will be always cheap in cost itself.
Yes.
But some other companies are just projecting the different
Branded one, yeah.
we know many things like many branded. Everyone go only for that. But there are many generic medicine which cure better and cheapest cost.
Yeah, once the patent expires, generics can be made from the other companies. Until the patent for the medicine is there, only the company who researched it can make it. Yeah.
So in that way, people are not getting medicine at a better cost, like cheaper cost. They are paying higher cost. For example, one of my friend, he want to get a vaccination in India. I'm not speaking about America. In India, he want to get a vaccination. He is always going to the private, where he is spending on 4,000, 5,000 rupees for a vaccination, where government will give it for free. I asked them, why are you not taking the same vaccination here in government? No, they use thick needles for my son and it hurts children a lot. That's why I'm taking private injections for vaccination in private hospital. he has his own reasons, but the vaccine is same. When government is issuing for free, but he is not interested to go to government hospital to stand in lines. His reason is we should stand in line. We should wait for a longer time. They are not caring. They'll use all injections in a rough manner. They are so rude. But in private hospital, the pediatrician will just take very care and just he smiles at kids and he does something. So I can spend 5,000 to 10,000 for vaccination, which is for free in government. So our mindset is always tuned like, okay, how market developed as if private people are doing better than the government. But once I went to Gandhi Hospital in some circumstance, I went there. They got every machinery and they got everything to treat people. Usmania Hospital, I went to Fever Hospital, Mahavir Hospital. Mahavir is okay, charity hospital. But many hospitals, many good doctors are there, many wonderful, they are very good and very good charactered people are there. But still people are interested only in private. Why? Because of this marketing. They are spending a lot of money on that.
Yes.
Due to some wrong intentions and wrong ideologies, due to this wrong marketing. Okay, so the topic went somewhere else. Okay, so this is what the beauty of Kalidasa. Later we'll see the knowledge and intelligence of Kalidasa in poetry, but this is how he introduced his book. If the book was not introduced to the public, if people don't read it, how they can know the poetry? How can they know the examples? How can they know the grammar, etc. So to introduce this book to the society, he just projected all these things.
Yeah,
Nice,
I guess,
Swami?
I guess it shows the importance of not only things, but you should have the skill to be able to persuade others.
Excellent, Swami. There are only 5, I told you, Pancha Mahakavya in Sanskrit. What about all the other books? Are they not great? Are the scholars are not great? Is the only Kalidasa is great, not all the other poets, but he become famous because of his marketing. He made himself great. He published himself. He just went to people. He just introduced his books to the public. That's why books are famous. That's why he became Mahakavi. There are many Mahakavis are there. You know who is the greatest poet ever in entire Sanskrit literature? Greatest. Bhasa Mahakavi. He is inspiration even to Kalidasa. Bhasa. B-H-A-S-A. Bhasa. He wrote 33 dramas.
Mhm.
In which only 13 are available.
Mhm.
That 13 dramas changed the entire minds of poets and they inspired them to write more and more poetry. Even if I'll be so mesmerized again and again reading those poetry than Kalidasa. He introduced all sorts of poetry in his book, in his works. Kalidas used only Upama Kalidas, Upama Alankara mainly. He's famous for Upama Alankara, simile. But he introduced everything, he was marvelous.
Yes, one thing what people believe and what really is can be different, I guess.
So only projected people are great.
That is true.
People came to us mindset that projected people are great. Tell me about great heroes. You will tell about all the artists and character, like in cinema, artists will be considered as heroes these days. Actually, those are not heroes. There are many people who are heroes, served the society and just developed many things in society. Now, even which we are doing, which we are living on it. There are many great inventions. Those are heroes, people who invented for the society. But projected people are considered as heroes these days. So Kalidasa himself projected himself to introduce his own book, his work. He never explained any negative. He never explained any wrong, but he projected good and he marketized it for reaching out to the public. See, one shloka, we went to many places. Okay, last, repeat it and we'll conclude today. Tam santah shrotum arhanti sadasad vyakti hetavah hemna samlakshyate hyagnau vishuddhi shyamika apiva. From next shloka, he started about the king. Vaivasvato Manur Nama. He started about the first king called Vaivasvata. He told that I'm going to explain a list, right? The first one is Vaivasvata. He just go on telling about the stories of Vaivasvata, his wife, when he married, how many children to him, what are their names. The poetry continues. I wanted to tell you up to 10 shlokas in Raghuvamsha because you will get introduced to it. Okay, so this week's homework, I'll give you one poet's name every day. Just have a brief introduction and his writings. And I want you to just tell about him what you learned. Every day, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, research on him. Okay, the first one is Kalidasa, we already discussed. Okay, second one is Valmiki. Even though you know about Valmiki, try to research what he did, what works he wrote. Okay, and what is its greatness and what is the length of the book, how many shlokas, etc., 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 etc. Every day about one scholar. Till next week, we'll learn about 8 scholars starting from today. Already we were introduced to Kalidasa.
Yes.
Okay, today practice about Valmiki till evening because we already know him. Tomorrow we learn about Vyasa and his works. Vyasa and his works. Next day we'll go again because we start everything with Valmiki. I don't want to skip Valmiki and Vyasa. So today practice about Valmiki and just write something, a small or few lines about Valmiki. Narayan Pai ji will tell about his own perception. Lakshmana Reddy ji tell his own perception. Okay, we'll read something about, just do some research, Google about Valmiki. Tomorrow about Vyasa. 2 days completed. 3 scholars will be done. Valmiki, Vyasa, Kalidasa. Okay, after these 3 days, on Tuesday, I'll give another scholar's name. Okay, and one more small
Vyasa
request.
Maharishi,
Swami?
Vyasa. You talked about some Vyasa Mahakavi.
Vasa Mahakavi.
Bhasa, we'll come to him later. Next week, I'll introduce him.
Bhasa.
I'll introduce him next week. Okay. So, and other important thing is maybe on 10th of October, it's a very busy and hectic schedule to me due to Navaratri. We have Chandi Homam in temple. So, I may and may not take the class this 1 week.
So next week, no class?
That's what I'm